Today I will prepare a little salad. For the salad I have onion, tomato, long beans, baby eggplant. Here they eat it raw, so now I have the habit of eating them raw too. I use the baby eggplant not only for salad, but I also put them into cooking. I also have some cucumber. Now let me see what else. Oh, I have some okra. It has already been in the fridge for 2 days and may go bad, so I will fry them today. In Canada, I would play with the knives, but here there's no place to do that. The baby eggplant is also good for eating, isn't it? Next will be the long beans. All these I eat raw. They are very long, so to make work easier, I just break them into half and then wash and cut them. These are the onions. I think one big onion would be sufficient. You must have seen my video of me cutting onions in Canada. I do cut them very quickly into fine, thin slices, but I used a smaller knife that I was used to it. But now with this big knife, it is dangerous. I did try a couple of times, but ended up with minor cuts. I don't want to end up minus a finger. That would be a disaster due to carelessness, isn't it? Now I will add the tomatoes. I will use about two, and the third I will eat raw. Oh my God, there is a lot of salad. It will last me for 2 days. This is where I had used my big bowl for the salad.